talking about having an account. I'm talking about using a LinkedIn.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Right now, not.
Okay.
Uh,
I
Okay. Rafi?
once
I
once I
wasted a
saw
lot
my
of
friend
money on
was using
LinkedIn.
this.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Now you are a digital marketer. Okay. You have to concentrate on the social media. First of all, you know, build up your profile. Okay. So build up your profile is very, very, very important. Try to include your bio. Try to do that. Try to insert all your things and your, specifications like, you are done with SEO or else, from the LinkedIn also, you'll be getting a lot of opportunities. Believe me, it's really, 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 really very important to have a LinkedIn profile for every professional. Okay. Now
It's
let's
like my
say
more professional social media, no, ma'am?
more professionals. Now let's say if you go for a job also, as you are a digital marketer now and you are not active on social media, what is the point of doing digital marketing? You are
Yeah.
just for a
Yes,
namesake,
ma'am.
that's it.
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? So you
Mm-hmm.
have to be active. Then only it will be like a more into digital world. You are into more into digital world. Otherwise, it's kind of doing your, you learn the course, that's it. No. So try to be active. So active means, we already know how to be active. Simple. So not only the
Mm.
Facebook and Instagram, so be active on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is also the best platform for digital marketing. I'll show you now. Okay, so do you know how to create an account in LinkedIn? Do you know how to create a page in LinkedIn? Can you see?
Yes,
ET money. So what is
Yeah.
this?
it's a page.
The
This is a paid
promoted
one,
ad.
Page.
promoted one.
Yeah,
It is a
yeah.
Oh,
promoted. So what is this?
It's a page.
It's a
ad,
Yeah.
normal post, right?
ad.
So this
Oh,
is how your where your ad appears simply. Your ad appears in the LinkedIn feed, and you might have seen many ads in the Messenger also.
yes.
Here,
Okay. Okay.
can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Here they are providing a download toolkit. This is one kind of ad. Okay, and this is also one kind of ad. Can you see?
Mm.
Yes,
Yes,
changed a lot.
lot of ads. Yes. So now let us try to create an ad. So here also for LinkedIn also we do have an ads manager. Rafi, you please try to create a page. So how we gonna create a page? Go to work. Here you can
Yes,
see dial pad
yes.
option. So go to
Mm.
work here, scroll down. Here you have an option like create a company page.
Okay.
Create. So you just need to define what's your business, whether it is a small or medium, large, showcase, educational institution. Just go through that and create a page. So now I
Okay.
have already a page in my, again, for running any kinds of ad in any social media platform, so page is mandatory. Without a page, you can't run ads. Can we run ads with a Facebook without having a page?
No, ma'am. No.
No, right? So it's all about having a page. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let us go and create. Here you have an option like advertise. Go there. Okay. Now it is a campaign manager, whereas in a Facebook, you will be having a business manager. Yes or no? So in the business manager, we're going to create ad accounts. Here in the campaign manager, we're going to create a ad accounts. Okay. So these are
Ma'am,
the, yes.
ma'am, for Facebook, ma'am, you said like campaign ad,
Mm,
what is it? Ad?
mm, mm.
So for that, how many ad groups like that we have to create?
Unlimited. You can go with
Okay.
unlimited. Mm.
Okay. Okay. Even
Okay.
here, even here,
So
like we can create.
here also the same structure. So do
Okay.
follow the structure. You'll understand. Create an
Hmm.
account. Name your account. Okay. So I'll name this. Okay. So choose a currency.
How did we go to campaign manager?
Click on that advertise option top right
Okay.
side.
Okay.
Then some company campaigns require a LinkedIn page to use. So now I require a company page. So you can search for a company page that you have. Okay, this is my company page. Associate a LinkedIn page with your account, save. Now, so what I'm done with, I done with the campaign ad account. Okay, I have created. Now it's time to create a campaign.
Campaign. Okay.
So here you have a one more thing, campaign group. Okay, so campaign group in LinkedIn, you have a one more option like a campaign group. What happens with the campaign group is, now let us see, I would like to run a campaign for a Dizzy course, and that will be like a different for different pages for different purpose. So one
Mm.
campaign is for driving a traffic, one campaign is for generating some leads and all. So at the time, all campaigns I can put it to one place. That is what with the create campaign group. So I can segregate complete campaigns under one campaign group. That is what the importance of having a campaign group. Okay. Yes. So now we have already one campaign group here. Can you see this is the one we have created now? See, can you see now? Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Ma'am, can you
3 p.m.
repeat
campaign
again
manager.
for
Let's go back.
create campaign?
Now, by clicking on that ad account, you will be creating a
Campaign.
one
Yeah.
campaign group. So in that campaign group, you are going to create a campaigns. I'll write a structure here for better
Okay.
understanding.
Okay. Okay.
Ad account,
Create
campaign
campaign
group.
group. Okay.
Under that, you have to create a campaign,
Campaigns.
right?
Yeah.
So now let us see. This is my campaign group. Now I have to create a campaign. So click this create now.
Okay.
So same like a Facebook, you need to
Facebook.
select
Yes.
the objective here. Okay. So tell me what is meant by objective again.
Like
Lead generation.
Hmm. Okay. So what exactly you are expecting from this ad? Okay. So you want a branding or you want a traffic to your website or you're looking out for lead generation. Now here it is an awareness. If you want to have some awareness about your business, then you choose this. Then website visits. So if you want to drive a traffic to your website, choose this.
mm,
Engagement. So if you want to have a likes, comments, or shares, you can choose this. Then video views. So for having a views for your video, choose this. The
yes, ma'am.
conversions. Lead generations means so
Who fill our
directly.
contact? Yeah.
Uh, so are they going to visit your site to fill up the contact form?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
This is
no. So here,
Mhm.
if you choose this lead generation, they are going to directly fill up the form within the LinkedIn only. So whereas
Okay.
if you
oh
choose
yes.
this lead generation, you are going to create a one form. Okay, same like a contact form. Here it will ask
Okay.
you some
Directly, if
details.
they click on that,
They can
they'll
fill up
fill
the
the form.
first name,
Okay.
last name,
Okay.
email address, contact number, everything they can
Okay.
fill out there. Right.
Okay. Okay.
So that's the
Mm.
reason I told you guys to create a lead generation campaign in Facebook.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
website conversions, you already know. So if you want to have a conversions for your website, then choose this.
Yes,
Job
ma'am.
applicants. Why this option have included in this digital market? Sorry, LinkedIn, can anyone tell me?
This is
Because
basically
this
job
is,
website,
yeah.
right? Many companies are here. It's more of a
Okay,
professional website.
sorry. Now here, do we have this option in Facebook?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay. Job applicants means now let us say Rakesh is a recruiter. Okay. He is looking out for now he's a recruiter and he wants to finish all the recruitments in just 5 days. So at the time he has to make that applications to be filled, right? So at the time he can run these ads. Tell people about your relevant job opportunities at your company so that people can
Okay.
view your ad and if they are seriously
Interested,
suitable
like, yeah.
for that position, they can fill out that form. Okay, so these options are simply based out of your LinkedIn profile. So while creating a LinkedIn account, so what the LinkedIn is going to ask you? So it is going to ask you that your name, your email address, and if your company, if you're working for any companies, the company name and all. Yes, based on that only we are going to target here simply. So as of now,
Okay.
I'll go with a brand awareness. Okay. So here comes, now I'm going to create an audience, targeting audience. So location, as of now, India. If you want, you can just choose a locations.
Hyderabad, Telangana.
Hyderabad. Okay, so I'll just remove this India. Right. So if you want, you can exclude the locations also. I don't want to show.
United States. Okay, just only. Okay.
Okay, about is not loading. Wait.
Maybe it's a country
Bengaluru.
wise, ma'am.
Bengaluru.
Bangalore.
Okay, Bengaluru is there. Okay. Then choose a language, profile language. Obviously, it has to be in English. So here comes, who is your target audience? So we can simply narrow the audience also. List upload. If you have any list automatically now, let's say if you have any email addresses or if you have any custom audience, then you can choose. One second. Yeah. So if you have any list upload, this is like custom audience again. If you have any and
Audience who
data with
visited,
you,
yeah.
you can just
Mhm.
upload the data. Now, lead generation form, if now this is what, if you have already a lead generation form created, you can just, or else you can directly create it here. Create a lead generation. Am I going to create a lead generation now?
No, ma'am. Advanced
Oh,
topic.
so it is an I have choose the brand awareness now. It's not a lead generation.
Okay.
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 So here, look like audience, third party video, websites, no, these are like a narrowing. So if you want to reach out only that customers, you can just choose it. Okay. Otherwise, these are comes under some advanced options we're gonna see later. If you want, you can just exclude the audience also. Now, company. Why it is showing us company? Why? Because while creating a LinkedIn account, is it going to ask a company or not? So if you're
Yes,
working
ma'am.
anywhere else, so it is going to ask you the company name also. So it's simply based out of the profile that people are going to create. That's it. Company
Mm.
category, company connections, company names. Okay, if I go and select the company names like hmm,
Accenture.
Accenture. So I am going to target the all employers in Accenture. In such a way, you can choose all these options and then comes to demographics, member and age also.
Okay, we can target company wise also. Okay.
Company wise, company connections, company followers. Now let's say Sumit is there. Sumit is following a Deloitte
Okay.
company page. So my ad will appear to
So,
him as well. Got it?
so this
Okay,
is
okay.
totally different from all Facebook, Instagram, Google.
It
It's
is
completely
very,
different.
very, very, very professional one and it is
Okay.
expensive also.
Yeah, ma'am, because
Okay.
it's like completely narrowing the targeted
Narrowing
option,
and
right?
what's happened
Mm.
is here you will be getting a genuine leads also. Why? Because time pass
Yes, ma'am.
candidates won't be using this LinkedIn. Only
LinkedIn,
a
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
professional who are serious at that only will be using LinkedIn. And if you get any leads from this LinkedIn also, that will be like a more of genuine leads. Believe me. Okay, I'll go with the 25 to 34.
Ma'am, is there any option to select freshers here?
Pressure in the sense, yes, job experience wise.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Fine.
So female or male, both female and male. And job experience, job functions, job seniorities, job titles, member skills, years of experience. Okay, years of experience also you can just choose it 1 year to 12 years up to. Now let's say I would like to show my ad for a person who have a um, experience of around like 5 to 5 years. So I would like to show my ad. So I can at the time I can show up this, use this experience also. And then titles, let's say. Mm. Job title can be.
Target is 116 lakhs. Okay.
Can you see?
Yes.
Search under this also you have a many suggestion, like it is showing you some suggestion titles also. If you want, you can just choose it. Digital marketing specialist, search engine. So that means a person who have a job title like search engine optimization executive, my ad is going to appear to him. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Then such a way you
This
can narrow the
this is
target. It is
amazing.
very, it's amazing. Yes. Job seniorities
Okay,
wise.
for the person who have the title, so
No,
our
now you
okay,
will be creating the LinkedIn with the help of these things only. Your
um,
age and your email address, your location. Sorry, it won't ask you the location. So if you're having some experience, it will ask you the experience also. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am,
Based
yes,
on
ma'am.
that all. Now here you
Yeah,
can see, Rafi, you have asked me, right? Entry level, training, unpaid,
Yes.
senior,
Yes.
manager, director, VP, owner, partner. So you can target. So now let's say manager. So if I'm going to choose this manager, a person who have a manager thing in his profile, I'm going to show my ad to him. Yes or no? So director, partner, this is how we're gonna create. Now I have created my profile with a name, with a title called digital marketing trainer. So if I choose this, what happened? That ad will appears to me. Got it?
Okay.
Yes. So choose this.
If there is training mentioned in their profile, then he will be the target, right?
Yes, yes, very good. And education wise also, you can see based on their degrees, based on their field of study, member schools also, degrees. Now
In
let's say
demographies, can we consider one country like India, complete India, or
here you have option like choosing a country, right? Hyderabad.
okay? Okay.
Location I have choose. You can choose the location also. So you can choose a location, you can exclude few states in the India also. That is a good idea again.
What could be the reason to
Education, now let's say
exclude some
BTech.
areas?
Okay,
Yeah, what could be
got
the
it, right?
reason to
BTech.
exclude some
Then
areas?
next, B form. How I have to write a B form?
I think
Bachelor of
I
Finance.
BFA,
cannot hear you.
Bachelor of Fine Arts. In such a way, you can choose it. Now, could you please define how the targeting is?
Specific based on their
Location I choose
education,
to
age.
Hyderabad,
Okay.
age 25 to 34, and gender both females and male, and job title search engine optimization, degree Bachelor of Technology. So, is that narrowing or not?
Yes. Narayana Lal.
Hello?
Yes.
yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am,
Hello?
Yes, yes.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
In,
Hello?
Yes, ma'am,
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah. We
yes,
can
ma'am,
Yeah.
hear you.
So tell me, how is my targeting?
yes, ma'am. It's like
amazing.
very crisp and like to
Okay. Now define exactly a person who lives in Hyderabad. Okay. And if his job title is SEO, and if he done any BTech, then only my ad will appear. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
So this is how narrowing I am going to show up that for the exact audience. Right. Choose
okay.
it.
And
So creating an ad
so,
is all about targeting. That's it.
okay.
Ma'am,
Mm.
So there are
without
18
education
lakh
also we can
audience
send,
for
right?
Sorry, 1 second.
Without
very important for me.
Yes. So we are done with the objective selection. That means what exactly I am looking out from this ad. And then we are done with the audience also. That means for whom I wants to show the ad. Then finally ad format, how your ad has to be. Okay. Next, single image ad. First thing is that single image ad, how it has to be. So if I choose this single image ad, it just show you one single image. Then carousel image. You might have noticed the scrollable image ads. Have you ever noticed scrollable
yes,
image
ma'am,
ads in a
Yes, ma'am.
Facebook many times? So that
yes,
is
ma'am.
one. Then video ads.
Video ads.
So if you want to promote any video, you can just choose it. Text ad means it consists of only text, no image, no videos, nothing.
Ma'am, text
Spotlight ad.
ads, people
Mhm.
will use text ads also, like
Yes, yes, without having image also. But normally people
no
won't
one
have a
prefer,
time to
right?
read a.
Yeah.
Yes. Spotlight ad. Create ads that are personalized using profile data and will promote an offering throughout the desktop. Now, what happened with this spotlight ad? It will appear only on desktop again. Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
desktop.
Yes.
Okay.
Follower and create ads that are personalized using profile data and will promote a company page throughout a desktop. So here what happens here, according to our targeting option, it is going to show up the ad to increase the followers of our page. Okay, directly it will ask you to click on follow. Now let's say previously we have seen one ad, that is what single image ad. So you might have noticed it will show one small image and it will show you the follow button also. So someone can click easily and get our followers. So that is what simply follower ad. Okay. And this is also only for desktop. And here
Okay.
comes conversion ad beta. This is what the ads you are receiving in your message inbox. So just now we have seen, right? Message inbox. In the inbox also you can see some ads. That can be done with the help of this
Okay.
conversation ad. Got it? So this is
Yes.
same like a placements in a Facebook. So placements in a Facebook means where exactly your ad appears and how
Hello?
it will be. Yeah, I
Okay.
can hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll just choose this a single image ad. Let's scroll down. Now we are done with the ad format and we have to decide how much I want to spend. Set daily budget, set both daily and total budget. So if you want, you can just mention the total budget and daily budget. So not at all required to go with the day total budget. If you just go with the daily budget, that's enough. So daily budget means what it is.
How
How
much we're
much
going to
you
spend on
How
daily
much you're going to spend daily
daily
per day?
limit? Yeah.
I'll go with the 2000.
is
Okay.
there any minimum value we can put?
So it automatically shows you, Rafi. Now it was showing me some 1200 and 500
1250,
rupees.
yes. Yeah.
If you go with the 250, your ad won't run.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it will show you. It will show you as an error.
Okay.
Okay. Now run a campaign continuously from starting dates. What is the starting date and end dates?
I mean, when we want to run the
When we want to start
days.
running your ads and ending your ads. So normally it is not at all required to go with the end dates. If you wish to go, then you can go by just choosing this starting date and end dates. So you will be having an option like calendar, just choose that. Okay, I'll go with this. Then bid type. Here I just choose the how much I want to pay, but I have to choose when I have to pay, right? So that is what bidding type. So how target CPM bid. What is meant by CPM?
Cost per
CPM,
Cost
Click
cost
per
per
mile.
cost per
thousand,
mile.
Cost per mile.
cost per thousand impressions.
As per my
When I
Mm.
choose this bidding type, that means this is one bidding strategy. When I choose this bidding strategy, how much you would like to pay per thousand impressions? Okay, so I'll just go with the 500. Okay, can you see Rafi here? It is showing you the recommended.
yes.
733 is a recommended for 1000 impressions. Then again, it's up to you. If you want to go with that, you can just go, or else you can have your own budget. The next,
Okay.
if I click this drop down, maximum CPM bid. What is this maximum CPM bid? Mhm.
It will reach maximum
No,
Like
500.
how much ever.
maximum how
Maximum I
much you
can.
want to pay per thousand impressions. Now let's
Okay.
say if I use this 500 as my thousand impressions, it has to take 500 or below
On.
500, but not more
Yes.
than 500.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
Okay.
whereas if I choose this target CPM, so it can take more than 500 sometimes, it can take less than 500 sometimes. Yes or no?
Mm.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
So
So I'll
which
go
one
with
is
the
better, automatic
target
or
CPM.
okay.
Maximum CPM is
Maximum
better.
C. Okay. Ma'am,
Mhm.
have you shown placement? Like we
Sorry,
finished the
placement is
placement.
not
Placement.
required, not required. Why? Because we have
Okay.
already chosen the locations and all.
So what does this
Placement
mean?
means simply where your ad appears. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Your
Yes,
ad
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
appears in. feed
like
and
the
message inbox.
yeah.
So here, can you see? Automatically, we have enabled the audience network.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
here
ma'am.
we are choosing 2000 max daily budget and
Daily
500 for
budget.
1000 impressions. So it
Yes.
will not cross maybe 4000 impressions, right? Technically speaking.
4,000 impressions? Ah, yes, of
Right.
course. Yeah.
Oh,
True.
okay, got it.
Okay. So conversion. If you want to track any conversions, you can track. As of now, not required. Let us click on next. Okay. Tell me, what all the things I have choose? I just
Objectives,
choose objective. I
Objective,
just
then
choose the
audience,
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 audience. I just choose next
format,
ad format,
ad format,
format. Next
placement,
placement,
place. What is
Placement
the
we can
placement?
choose. Like where
where
our
the
ad
ad
has
should
to show.
appear in the window.
Yes. Next, if you
Budget,
can just enable the audience network, that is enough.
okay.
Yes,
Then the
ma'am.
budget, then the
Budget,
budget, then
Bidding
schedule,
strategy.
schedule.
budget. Then bidding type.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So these things we have chosen in which level? Campaign level.
Campaign
Yes.
level. Yeah.
Okay. So now can you see we are done with the campaign level
Setup
and we are
campaign.
into a setuping ad level. Okay. Create a new ad or else browse existing content. Browse existing content means you might have posted a few images or few videos in your LinkedIn profile. Yes or no? So if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want to use that existing content, you can just choose it or else you can create your own ad. So let us create a new ad. Name this ad. Okay, introductory text. You just need to write some text here. Destination URL. What is this destination URL again?
Landing page,
Landing, where you want them to land once they click on your ad. Okay, so it's still. Can you see now what happened?
yeah.
Automatically,
Whichever the images like
It
yeah.
got the
whatever the
headlines and everything.
image, so it is taken,
Mm,
right? So
yes,
if
ma'am.
you want, you can just change that also.
Ma'am, this happened even on the Facebook also, right?
Yes, Facebook, what
Like
happens with the Facebook? Facebook automatically takes your cover image.
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
But this
Okay, so CTA button, call to action button, apply,
registered, then
download, view code, learn more. I'll
sign
go
up.
with the sign up. Okay.
Okay.
So finally done. This is how your ad appears on desktop and on mobile phones.
So, ma'am, you have 999 followers. You need only one more.
Sorry?
It's showing 999 followers, no something. No?
No, 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 no. I don't have 999 followers.
No, it is showing there. No, I
Where
thought
it is showing?
Dizzy
Wait, wait.
code after
Right.
999.
Now I have created an ad. You need to give the billing. That's it. Okay. So once you're done with the billing, then your ad will run. But what there is a beautiful thing with the LinkedIn is that after creating ad, whenever you want, you can just go with the billing. Okay. It won't restrict.
Mm,
Okay. Now
okay.
it's fine. Next. Review completely. So how many ads and campaigns you have created, what are the targeting you have selected, if you have excluded any, and ad format, placement, budget, everything fine. Launch campaign.
What is the prices that are given at the this one?
I gave the total budget, right?
We selected the 2000 maximum
Hmm.
per day, but it's showing 46,000 something.
that
That's
is
Where
for
it
something
any
is
different.
budget
showing you the
items.
46, it might have shown
Right
for
side,
one
ma'am,
month, I
like
think.
for yeah, 1 month.
Yeah, right side it was showing. Yeah.
I didn't see.
Okay. So here,
Oh, yeah. So this is the name of my campaign. Okay.
campaign.
So I just choose a brand awareness. It is a sponsored content. So once you run ads, it will show you the data here. Okay.
I think the
Yes,
amount is
fine.
showing here.
Yeah.
5,000 to
500. 500.
okay, 500.
500. So that is what my 500 is my bidding, right? Bidding
Yes, ma'am.
4,000 a price.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you know how to create the ad. First, create a
Yes.
campaign group. Next, create a campaign. And the campaign, you have to select all kinds of targeting options and finally create an ad set. So we are done with ad creation. So now I'll tell you few things. That is what conversion in LinkedIn. Conversion. Same like a pixel, here in LinkedIn we have a insight tag. Okay, so for everything you need a pixel in Facebook, right? If you want to track and all. So here also we need to have an insight tag if I want to track conversions. Now let us see how we can create that insight tag and conversion tracking in LinkedIn. Okay, so here there is an option called account assets. There you can see a top insight tag. Tagged domain, so install my insight tag.
Okay, same thing. The tag in the
Same thing.
website. Okay.
Yeah, tag in the website. Choose how to install your tag. I will install the tag myself. I will send the tag to a developer. I will use a tag manager. Okay, so
I'll
install a
install.
tag myself. Manually, you can do it. So if you have any developer, you can email the tag, or else you can use the tag manager. I'll go with the install tag myself. Copy the code. And where you have to paste? You have to paste it in the
Header.
header. So here it is asking you to paste it in the body section. Okay. Now let us go back to the Dizzy course. Okay. So I will use one plugin called, where is that? Header and footer. I'll use this one. So it is asking us to paste in the body section.
Body.
So if you want to paste anything in the body section, you can use this footer one.
Okay.
Save. Then let's go back to the LinkedIn campaign manager and I'm done. We are waiting.